Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about.
Hello friends, identify the instrument. So what is this instrument? It has number 1, this is a vent with thumb rest. Okay. What is this instrument? It has a vent with thumb rest and it has a fine suction tip. You can suction it with this tip. So this is actually Adson's suction cannula. This is Adson's suction cannula. So what is the use of this Adson suction cannula? It is used in fine and meticulous surgery. It is used in fine and meticulous surgery. Like it is used in plastic surgery. It is used in plastic surgery or reconstructive surgery. It is used in plastic surgery or reconstructive surgery, or it is used in vascular surgery. Okay, so this is about Adson's suction cannula. Thank you.
Thank you and thank you for watching.